my name's Mark Facher, head butcher at Donald Russell, and today we're going to speak about the art of dry aging. Dry aging takes time. It's a bit like a fine wine or a really nice cheese, or if you're Scottish, a really nice malt whisky. Here at Donald Russell we only select the best quality grass-fed British beef. Once it's been selected by our quality control team, it enters the dry maturation chamber. Dry maturation chamber is a room that we control three different things. We control the airflow, the temperature and the humidity. Those three things have the combined impact on dry maturing of meat. That's not something you can do at home in your own fridge, it's much more scientific than that. But I'm not going to give away all our secrets. During the dry aging process, a crust forms in the meat, allowing the natural enzymes within the meat to break down the natural fibres for tenderness, flavour and succulence. Dry aging meat is very expensive, that's why we only dry age the premium cuts. So our maturation times are from 21 days to 35 days. 35 days for the rump and the ribeye to give depth of flavour, 21 days on the fillet and 28 days on the sirloin. Each day the senior butchers enter the maturation chamber inspecting the meat, turning the meat so it has an even distribution of air. Only once the meat is fully matured will Donald Russell select that meat ready for cutting. Every piece of meat is unique. Only the trained eye of a skilled butcher will know when it's ready to cut.